Little fall afternoon. Short sleeve weather. Wish it was colder. But the cowboy has got his scarf on. And he's saying howdy ma'am to ma'am. And she lost her hoop a while back when someone fell off the porch. Having a little bit too much one day. But here's the new railing. All the wild vines all around this wild place. It's just a beautiful afternoon. Wish we could have a dozen of these. Although I do miss having a fire. Got a little Layla playing. Sun's going to be setting in about another hour or so. There's the lake. There's the buzzards flying up. That's Buzzard Cove over there. They land in that cove. And there's the old tractor barn. There's the Coke shed, the Coca-Cola shed. And it's just a great day. And Abby's going to show us the house, the new bedroom, or new living room. Well, here's the new walkway, which is about a month old. And we did it on the other side of the house too. And there's the pretty winter rye coming up. And there's Sophie. Say hey, Soph. Chloe's gone fishing. Should say Chloe's gone hunting. Abel, come on inside. Go inside. And there's Sophie's handicap ramp. Hope they're not making one of those for me anytime soon. And here we go. Sort of like the Macy's Christmas tree. Here's the lights going. A little premature for the front porch. Got a little variety of everything from piggies to cows to horses to fish to deer to duckies. There's the open sign. Turn the fish around and we're open. To the peppers. Stompy tried to eat some of those one night. To the flag. To the baby pigs. To the moo moo cow. To the corks. To the horse. And there's the welcome board. To Scabarama. And here is the new redone living room. We have the old sofa. That's the wall here. And got all the CDs rearranged here in the corner. The stereo redone. No fire tonight, it's too warm. And George is losing, unfortunately, 10-0. And being a Tech fan, I still would love for Georgia to come back and win. Even though RJ and Lisa Matthews brought me this new Cheryl Furniture sofa last night. We had a blast. And it's my first new sofa for the farm. I can lay all the way down on it without touching my toes, which is awesome. And my back's hurting because I did move a lot of stuff. But we got this room looking jam up. just need to light a few of these candles, pour a little elixir, get Abby to go make me a drink. Abu, you want to go get me a beer? They don't deliver the paper down here, so you could get me a cold beer. Abby, look at that deer up there. See that deer? Abby knows what a deer is. Alright. I'm going to try and go get one. Signing off from Farmville, USA. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And may the dog come back and win. Take care.